In this problem, we are given two trains, train X and train Y. Train X is starting from station A at 11 a.m., which is 180 kilometers away from station B. There are two stations A and B, and two trains X and Y. X is starting at A at 11 a.m. and traveling at 70 kilometers per hour, and Y is traveling from B to A, traveling at 50 kilometers per hour. But this Y has to stop at station C for 15 minutes. This station C is 60 kilometers away from station B en route to station A. Right. And when does these two trains meet? When do these two trains meet? A and B. For example, A is traveling to right and B is traveling to left. Both are starting at 11 a.m. Let's say. But B or this Y is this train Y is reaching C and stopping there at 15 minutes. Right. Now, the distance between B and C is 60 kilometers. What does that mean? And this train is starting at B. The train speed is 50 kilometers per hour. That means it will take 60 by 50, that is 1.2 hours to reach C. Right. So, but in this 1.2 hours, X will not reach C. Right. X is the first train. Right. X will not reach the C point. C point is actually equal to 1 8 C point is 180 minus 60, 120 kilometers from A. Right. In 1.2 hours, 1.2 times 70 is definitely not 120. So A will not reach C. Right. So they will definitely not meet at C. Now with this, what does it mean? A is not meeting B at C, or while B is at C, but that automatically means we can equal this problem as, instead of waiting at C or waiting at B for 15 minutes and starting at 11:15, both the problems are same with respect to A. Right. So this problem effectively changes to B is starting with a delay of 15 minutes. Instead of waiting here, it can as well wait here only and start 15 minutes later, because it will anyway meet A, which is beyond C. Right. So in the first 15 minutes, the 15 minutes where B is not, or where Y is not traveling, X will travel for how long? 15 minutes. X will travel 15 minutes in 1 by 4th hour, right? 1 by 4th hour, it will travel 70 by 4, 17.5 kilometers. This train X will travel, right? And to meet, these two trains together have to travel remaining distance, which is 180 minus 17.5, which is 162.5. Right. And what is their speed, relative speed? 70 plus 50, because they both are traveling in the same direction. So this distance of 162.5 should be covered in one with the speed of 120 kilometers per hour. So the total time will be 162.5 by 120. Right. This is the total time. Right. This is the time at which these two will meet. Right. In this total time, how much does A cover? A covers 70 times this 162.5 by 120, which becomes roughly 112 kilometers. So this point C is 60 kilometers, another 8 kilometers. Somewhere here, A and B will meet effectively. So effectively, this time, whatever in this time, B has waited 15 minutes because we started 15 minutes later. Right, that 15 minutes we have covered in terms of A's distance. Right, A which has traveled 17.5 kilometers in those 15 minutes. Right, guys. Thank you.